Have you ever been insulted, publicly, quietly, or even passive-aggressively, and didn't know how to respond? It hurts. It triggers anger, shame, confusion. But what if he could flip the script and use that insult as fuel to gain respect, power, and control? In this video, you'll learn how to overcome insults using dark psychology principles and emotional intelligence. This isn't about ego. It's about mindset, power dynamics, and psychological self-defense. Let's break down exactly how to turn disrespect into dominance. Understand the psychology of an insult is rarely just about you. It's a power move designed to lower your status, trigger a reaction, or feed the ego of the person delivering it. Toxic people, narcissists, and emotional manipulators insult to control the emotional environment. But here's the truth: you don't have to react. The first rule of emotional intelligence is this: silence is often more powerful than defense. Why? Because when you react emotionally, they win. When you stay calm and controlled, you hold the power. Understanding this is the first step to psychological freedom. Reframe the insult. Reframing is a dark psychology tool used by persuasion experts and mental warriors. Here's how it works. Instead of internalizing the insult, ask yourself, what does this really reveal about them? If someone attacks your appearance, they likely feel insecure. If they insult your choices, they fear your independence. If they mock your success, they're threatened by it. Reframing takes the insult out of your nervous system and puts it into your analysis. That's mental strength. That's how you regain control. The power pause. When someone insults you, they expect one of two reactions: anger or submission. You give them neither. Instead, use what I call the power pause. Look them in the eyes. Pause. Say nothing for 3 seconds. This brief silence makes them uncomfortable. It shows you're not emotionally affected. You're calculating. Then, respond calmly. Or don't respond at all. In high-stakes psychological manipulation, the person who controls the frame controls the room. Respond like a strategist. Now, if you choose to respond, don't defend. Instead, redirect. Here are examples rooted in assertive psychology. Interesting. What makes you say that? I'll let you sit with that. You clearly needed to say that more than I needed to hear it. Or just a smirk, silence, and walking away. Each response maintains your dominance without lowering yourself. Remember, confidence isn't about shouting louder. It's about staying rooted when others try to shake you. The real victory isn't in winning a verbal sparring match. It's in becoming the type of person who can't be controlled with words. Build emotional resilience by mastering your reactions. Develop a mindset rooted in power, not approval. Understand your worth so deeply, no insult can reach it. This is what long-term personal growth looks like. This is what emotional intelligence feels like in action. Insults stop hurting when they stop landing, and they stop landing when you stop needing validation. So next time someone insults you, remember this: don't react, observe, reframe, reclaim, use the power pause. You respond strategically or not at all, and walk away stronger, not smaller. You've just learned how to overcome insults and take back control using dark psychology and emotional intelligence. If you want more content on power dynamics, psychological manipulation, and how to master your mindset, hit subscribe, because the next time someone tries to control you with words, you'll already be 2 moves ahead. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and never let an insult become your identity.